Great rise, roots family. Yeah man, blessings and balance. Today we step into healing circle with a plant called lemon balm. Yeah, blessed plant. A humble green leaf with a high vibration. Vibration mighty and powerful. Many know it for its citrus scent, but many do not know the history about this plant. Let's get into it. A few understand roots in history, but a few understand its roots in history, medicine, even magic. For the next few minutes, reason with I, not as a seller of herbs, but as a great of wisdom, passing forward what the ancestors already knew. Lemon balm, Melissa officinalis, comes from the mint family. The name Melissa in Greek means honeybee because the bee love this plant. Lemon balm, roots family, it feeds them and in turn feed us. Greek ancient history. It was planted near hives that bees wouldn't wander. In the Middle Age, it was a remedy for sadness and restlessness. Even kings and queens drank lemon balm tea to keep youthfulness alive. Lemon balm grows like a friend, easy, abundant, always returning. You can plant it in pots or in soil and it will spread just like a good energy. It likes sunlight but can handle a little shade. If you cut it, it grows back fuller. A lesson in resilience. Keep it watered but not drown it. Once it in your garden, you'll notice how the air feels lighter around you. That's not just imagination. Plants shift energy. In folk medicine, lemon balm is called the calming leaf, traditionally used to soothe anxiety, help with sleep, relax the nerves. Some say it's like lullaby in a cup. You know that song they used to sing when a baby can't sleep? Lullaby. Studies today even confirm it may support the nervous system, ease digestion, calm the heart, help memory. In times of stress, it brings the nervous system back into balance. A natural reminder when life gets too loud. Silence can be brewed in a leaf. As the question always asks, fresh lemon balm leaf, yeah, can brew a nice tea to help to relax and soothe the brain after a hard day's work, yeah, or the body is overstressed. Yeah, man, it's always a teaspoon of herb to a cup of water. Boil, steep for at least 10 minutes and then enjoy the tea. Irie. With its citrus flavor, yeah, it makes a nice tea. And as I said, lemon balm is from the mint family. You can also sweeten it with honey, or as you see, I sweeten it with agave. It can also be infused in honey and you can add it to your salad. Yeah, man. Lemon balm can also be used to steep in oil. You can use coconut oil, olive oil. It's nice for the skin and the hair. Yeah. Also, if you get insect bite, you can get the leaf, yeah, crush it up and rub it on the affected area. Yeah, man, rub it on the affected area. So lemon balm can be used in many different ways. The oil can also be used as a massage oil in aromatherapy. Yeah, lemon balm. In spiritual tradition, lemon balm carry a peace energy. So they use it for baths, yeah, to wash away tension. And as I said, it can soothe the body, the mind, yeah, after a hard day's work. Yeah, it helps to relax you. And as I always say, it can use as a massage in aromatherapy. Yeah, man. People also plant it in their garden. Yeah, to bring harmony to the space. Yeah, get rid of tensions around the space. Yeah, man. And I say with its citrus flavor and smell. Yeah, man. Nice. The smell alone speaks softness. It's like the breeze telling you to slow down. You are safe right here. So when you see a lemon balm plant, don't just see leaves. Yeah, man. See and feel harmony. Yeah, see honeybees. Yeah, feel the softness. Yeah. See a green plant as the teacher reminding us to slow down. Yeah, be calm, relax. Yeah, man. You are here and now. Be comfortable. Yeah. So just breathe, rest, and restore. I'm not selling you this herb, just reminding you that wisdom already grow at your doorstep. Thanks for tuning in. Your presence is appreciated. Yeah, man. If you like them, share, subscribe, share with a friend. Yeah, man. Tell them about the Herbalawes channel here on YouTube. See you in another one. Peace.